안녕하세요. This is my friend Jean.
This is my friend Min.
오늘은 저희가 마틸다라는 로알드달의 책을 소개해 드리려고 왔어요. 로알드달의 유명한 영화로 찰스 초콜릿 공장이 있잖아요. 이 책과 함께 영화를 소개해 드리려고 하네요. 자, 갑시다. Let's go!
We're going to talk about Matilda by Roald Dahl. You may know Roald Dahl because he also wrote Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oh, I saw the movie.
Me too. Both movies.
Oh.
I'm old. I've seen both.
And you said you really like Matilda.
I like
and you
Matilda.
highly recommend this book to me. And
There's a lot of things in this book that I really love. So Matilda is not loved and supported by her parents. Right? They actually really don't like her.
The parents are very weird and very mean.
They are very mean.
And very stupid.
Yeah. But she managed to find kind of like a soulmate or a kindred spirit in a teacher at a school. Her parents sent her to a school as a kind of punishment. And the head of the school is really terrible.
Right.
Very abusive. But Matilda bonds with her teacher, Miss Honey, who shows her that the way Matilda is good. And I love that idea of we all need to find someone that tells us that we are okay the way we are. Yeah.
For me, I really like Matilda's tricks.
Oh, sure.
You know, especially on that.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
super glue on the head. And which part of this book is very fascinating?
I like the part where she gets the extra powers to defend her friend.
I didn't read that far.
The mind, she gets some like mind control powers, and she learns to move things with her mind.
Oh, I knew she was genius.
Yeah.
Yeah, around 4 years old.
Yeah,
She
learned.
could read others' classics.
Yeah, and she taught herself to read.
Yeah.
So she's self-taught. Yeah, she's a special kid.
Yeah, very special kid.
And I love that. Yeah, they made a great movie. Roald Dahl was British, and so the book is definitely British in culture, in vocabulary. But the movie is made from an American cultural point of view.
Wow, so you can see the differences after watching the
Absolutely,
movie, after
absolutely.
reading this book.
Danny DeVito was the actor and also the director. It's a great movie.
Okay, so you'd rather read this book and also see the movie?
Book first, of course. Book first, of course. And then the movie is a good reward.
Doesn't really matter. Movie first and then book later. Okay, guys. 그렇게 저는 진의 조언을 따르지 않고 책을 보다가 영화를 먼저 보게 되었고 영화를 다 보고 나니 책에 대한 흥미를 모두 잃어버린 거 있죠? Hope you enjoy this Roald Dahl's book,
do.
Matilda. And then maybe later I'll bring some online study with this book.
Sure, that would be great.
Please join us. 구독해주세요.